Assalamu alaikum. Engineer Muhammad Abu Samra, Civil Engineering with you. Today, we inform you how we know this ceramic have air sound gap. With us, Engineer Abdul Latif, he explain us how we know this air gap.
This is called wall ceramic. We have to check the sound with steel. This solid sound. This is the hollow sound. Check the difference between the hollow sound. This is also hollow sound. Now this is solid sound. We have to rectify this hollow sound. Using the steel, we can check the sounds. And we should to remove spacer between the tile. We have to remove.
Engineer, can you show me again how you get it?
Yeah. The two different between the sounds. This is the solid sound. This is hollow sound.
Okay.
This is the difference between solid sound and hollow sound. We have to rectify the hollow sound only.
Okay, engineer.
Checking the floor ceramic. In the floor ceramic, we use wood stick.
Yes.
Here the hollow sound is coming. So we have to rectify this. Checking the sound between hollow and solid. Here is the hollow sound. We have to rectify this aisle.
Don't forget, follow us for more technical information about civil engineering. Have a nice day.